Hi students, welcome to your channel MRNS Educational and Social Service. Dear students, now we discuss second type of integration. Already type 1 previous video lo manam discuss cheskunnam. Type 2 format is like this: linear and quadratic functions. In last video, type 1, only quadratic function is there, that is root of ax square plus bx plus c, 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. In part 2, type 2, px plus q is a linear function, ax square plus bx plus c is quadratic function. So linear and quadratic functions. My dear students, if you have linear and quadratic like this, it is a function, it is a rational function. You consider px plus q equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c. That means inside function plus b. Take this value, linear function equal to a into derivative of quadratic function plus b. Where a and b are constants, we can calculate by comparing like terms on both sides. After differentiate this one, take x common and write separate constant term at one place. On comparing like terms, we get a and b. After getting a and b, substitute px plus q value, this value, in these two integrations. After separate it, integration forms will come 3 plus 9 formulae. Or after separate this, we get integration in type 1. We get integration form in type 1. We will see one of the examples, students. Okay now? See this example. Integration 2x plus 5 by root of x square minus 2x plus 10 equal to dx equal to 2 into root of x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 into sin inverse f of x plus c. Then he want f of x. Dear students, you take, it is linear by quadratic. You take 2x plus 5 equal to a into d by dx of x square minus 2x plus 10 plus b. Say this is 1. 2x plus 5 a into, differentiate, we get 2x minus 2 plus b. On comparing like terms on both sides. Dear students, compare like terms on both sides. Like terms means here x term and a constant term is there. Like terms on both sides. Here is x coefficient is 2. When you multiply with a, x coefficient is 2a. 5 is constant. When you multiply with a, minus 2a plus b is constant term. Compare means equating the like terms means compare coefficient of x if you have, compare constant terms if you have x square, compare like that. From this we get a value is 1. Substitute a value here, we get b value 7. If a equal to 1, it is minus 2. Bring minus 2 this side, becomes 7. So like this we can find a and b. Now from 1, students, this one, 2x plus 5 equal to a is 1 d by dx of x square minus 2x plus 10, b is 7. What is our problem? This equal to given as this. Okay, first you find integration of this. Therefore, integration of 2x plus 5 by root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. In place of 2x plus 5, substitute this value, students. Integral 2x plus 5 is 1 into derivative is derivative of x square minus 2x plus 10. No need to write 1, students. Plus 7 by root over x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx. Now here we have this value plus this value, that means two terms. One is derivative term plus 7. Separate the integration, students. Separate the integration. D by dx of x square minus 2x plus 10 by integration root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx plus 7 by this. Integration 7 by root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. Now, student, if you take this as f of x, above value becomes f dash x. In first integration is f dash x by root f of x dx. I told you now 3 plus 9 formula. In 3 formula it is the one of the form plus 7 by convert this into the perfect square form. Here x square minus 2x plus 10. Take 1 from 10, we get x minus 1 whole square plus, when you separate 1 from 10, here we have 9. Write down 9 as a 3 square, students, which is under root dx. Here f of x value is where f of x is x square minus 2x plus 10. Its formula is 2 root f of x, students, plus it is of the form a square plus x square, 3 plus 9. In 9 formula it is one of the form. Take 7 outside, it becomes sin h inverse x by a means x minus 1 by 3 plus c. What is f of x, students? 2 into root of x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 into sin h inverse x minus 1 by 3 plus c. So this is the answer. When you compare this answer with the given answer, we get f of x value as x minus 1 by 3. Students, sometimes if this integration equal to this, then find f of 10 or f of 7. He may ask. If he asks f of 10 value, f of 10 means take x equal to 10, 10 minus 1, 9 by 3 equal to 3. Sometimes he may ask like this, f of 10 in integer quotients or numerical value quotients. He asks some value. F of 10 means 10 minus 1 by 3, that equal to 9 by 3 equal to 3. If this question asked in numerical value quotients, you answer like this. In numerical value quotients, answer you can write it as 0003.00, students. Point before you must have 4 digits. If you get 1 digit, write 3 zeros before that. 0.200. Okay now. Next question. Integration 2x minus 5 into root of 2 plus 3x minus x square dx. Dear students, second form of type 2, students. Second form of type 2. Put 2x minus 5 equal to a into d by dx of 2 plus 3x minus x square plus b. Say this is 1. Now differentiate a into 0 plus 3 minus 2x plus b. On comparing like terms on both sides, we get Here x coefficient is 2. When you multiply, we get x coefficient minus 2a. Constant is minus 5. A into 3, 3a is constant plus b. Now, cross multiply minus 2, we get a equal to minus 1. Substitute a equal to minus 1 here. Minus 5 equal to minus 3 plus b. Now b equal to minus 2. Bring minus 3 to this side, we get minus value. So this is b value. Substitute a and b in 1. From 1, 2x minus 5 equal to a is minus 1 d by dx of 2 plus 3x minus x square. B value is minus 2. Okay, now students, now substitute 2x minus 5 in given integration. Therefore, integration 2x minus 5 into root of 2 plus 3x minus x square dx, which is equal to 2x minus 5 value is minus d by dx of 2 plus 3x minus x square minus 2 into root over 2 plus 3x minus x square dx. Now dear students, separate integration, multiply inside and separate. Multiply inside and separate it. Minus integration. Write down root first. Root 2 plus 3x minus x square into d by dx of 2 plus 3x minus x square dx. That is the first integration. This value into this value. Minus is there. Minus 2 into integration root over 2 plus 3x minus x square dx. Multiply this inside and separate the integration. It is the first term. Minus 2 into 2 is the second term. Multiply separately and separate integration. Now students, let it be this is f of x. Root is there, whole power 1 by 2 into f dash x. This one. Now, minus 2, convert this into the perfect square form. Separate here, separately write down here. 2 plus 3x minus x square, take minus common, x square minus 3x minus 2. Now we can write like this, minus of x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 2. Students, which is equal to minus of x square minus 2ab plus b square, x minus 3 by 2 whole square, minus 3 by 2 whole square is minus 9 by 4 minus 2. When you take LCM, minus 8 minus 9 is minus 17. Minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 17 by 4. Now multiply minus inside. Minus into minus plus root 17 by 2 whole square minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square. This value becomes root over root 17 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. Convert this into the difference or sum or two squares like this. Here f of x is where f of x equal to this value 2 plus 3x minus x square. Now my dear students, it is f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. It is root of a square minus x square dx formula. First integration becomes f of x whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. N plus 1 by n plus 1. Let it be this as n minus 2 into స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇవి కన్వర్ట్ చేసాము. ఇది ఇందాక ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ కోసం నేను రఫ్ చేశాను. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫార్మ్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ a square minus x square dx x by 2, that is x minus 3 by 2 by 2 root over this value root 17 by 2 whole square minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus a square by 2, that means root 17 by 2 whole square by 2 sin inverse x by a, x minus 3 by 2 by a is root 17 by 2 plus c. Now students, take LCM. What is f of x value? 2 plus 3x minus x square whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, it becomes 2 by 3. Students, by 2x by 2 4 multiply, we get 2x minus 3 by 2 root over this value is nothing but this 2 plus 3x minus x square. When you multiply with the minus 2 getting cancelled, here becomes a minus root 17 by 2 means 17 by 4 sin inverse. Take 2 LCM, 2x minus 3 2 getting cancelled, 2x minus 3 by root 17 plus c. Like this students, we can calculate. So my dear friends, 1 by 1 టైప్ నేను మీకు ఇవ్వటం జరుగుతుంది. జాగ్రత్తగా ప్లాన్ చేసుకుంటూ చదవండి. వీటి మీద కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. ఏదైనా రాకుంటే నాకు కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో పెట్టండి, నేను మరలా మీకు పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను. స్టూడెంట్స్, స్లోగా మీరు సబ్జెక్ట్లోకి ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతూ ఉంటే ఈజీగా చేయవచ్చు. మీరు ఇలాగే ప్రతిరోజు ఒక్కొక్క వీడియోలో ఒక్కొక్క టైప్ గురించి చెప్తాను. ఆ మోడల్స్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే ఇంకా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. మీరు ప్రతి వీడియోని చివరి వరకు చూసి ప్రతి స్టెప్ని మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, కామెంట్స్ కూడా పెట్టండి స్టూడెంట్స్. బాయ్, జై హింద్.